Top of the hour, let's begin with some breaking updates. Right now, what we are getting to know that there has been an official statement that has just been released on the cruise company Cordelia. That was the very same ship, the cruise ship that was raided by the NCB. And I'm just going to quickly quote from that statement. It goes on to say, by means of this statement, I wish to express that Cordelia Cruises is in no way directly or indirectly connected to this incident. Cordelia Cruises has chartered its ship for a private event to a Delhi-based event management company. Cordelia Cruises is extremely mindful of providing wholesome entertainment to families who choose to travel with us. This incident is contrarian and far from the culture that Cordelia Cruises represents. We at Cordelia Cruises condemn all acts such as these and will strictly refrain from letting our ship out for similar events in the future. Nonetheless, Cordelia Cruises is extending our full support and is cooperating with the authorities. So that is an official statement that has now been released by the Cordelia cruise ship, the very same ship that was raided by the NCB, several hour-long NCB operation, undercover operation that happened last night. And the statement is out right now. Let me also go across to our reporters there. Right now, I'm told that Priyanka, Shivani and Yesha are all joining us live from the NCB office. Priyanka, we are getting to know that this is the official statement by Cordelia Cruises because they are saying that in any way they had no idea what was happening inside their own ship. And it was led to a event management company in Delhi that had organized this entire event and they had no idea about it.
Well, as of now, the officials have said that there will be an investigation in all aspects without any exception whatsoever. We'll stay with the visuals as we speak about this, Amita, because the statement has just now come out to us. And as we speak, Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant, Munmun Dhamecha, all the 8 detainees are in fact in custody. They are being questioned. But what we also need to look at it as is that it is also they're claiming that the event management company was the one who was organizing this quote-unquote rave party, and they are the ones who might be held accountable for this pushing of drugs in that rave party itself. And they are saying that they had nothing to do with this entire event. In fact, they in fact provide family experiences for their cruises as well. This is a statement that has come from the cruise ship itself. But of course, the officials have said that there will be an investigation in all aspects of it. They will be questioning the organizers. They will be questioning the owners of the cruise ship. They will be questioning all of the people associated to it to understand how deep this nexus really ran between drugs and Bollywood, because there are high-profile names, high-profile cases that have come out since these 8 people have been named by the officials themselves. And they have said that there will be no fear, no favor that will be doled out for these people. There will be a thorough and fair investigation that will be carried out for all in this entire matter, and they will be looking into all aspects of it. There was a statement that had come out by the NCB officials in Delhi. They said that there is a connection of the dark web as well. So this really goes to show the tip of the iceberg on which the officials have shared information on, but there is a plethora of information, plethora of leads that the officials are, as we speak, working on to uncover the entire nexus, the entire cartel. Who was the one responsible for pushing these drugs on board of this cruise? Who was the one responsible for pushing these drugs in these kind of rave parties as well? And was it the first time that such an incident had taken place? And as we speak, Amita, there are major developments happening here on the ground. The biggest team bringing you these developments as we speak. Gauri Khan, the mother of Aryan Khan, also is en route to come to NCB, and she will be coming here and going inside. We're being told that all of these detainees are in fact being questioned. Their statements are being taken, they're recorded, their gadgets have been taken, they're seized. All of the information on their mobile phones is being taken into consideration as a part of the investigation to understand and to uncover more networks that they can be looking into in terms of the drug cartels that had been involved in this entire nexus of Bollywood, in this entire nexus of these quote-unquote rave parties as well. The recent statement by the cruise cruise ships, notwithstanding, the entire investigation will be carried out by these officials in a fair manner. They have said that before as well. And as we speak, developments are taking place. And statements that have been taken by the detainees have given more information, more names, in fact, that have come out by that have been identified by the officials, which is why they have been able to make this statement that a fair investigation and a thorough investigation. And a key word that we have to remember, Amita, they have said that this is not just a sole incident that they are investigating into. Whenever an incident like this takes place, there is an entire nexus that is completely uncovered, and that's exactly what this investigation is also going to show us, Amita.